COVID-19 numbers are improving in the county as we move into phase 2 of vaccinations, and that's going forward well. I'm Rob Freelove, Chief Medical Officer and Senior Vice President of Salina Regional Health Center.
Dr. Freelove, thank you so much for being on the show. We're going to have you give us a COVID update, so why don't you talk a little bit about some of the COVID numbers here in Saline County and the region?
Sure. Yeah, we are actually seeing a decline in COVID cases, and we've been fortunate to see the same decline in hospitalizations. We've still had a few deaths here and there, but those numbers are looking better at the hospital and in Saline County and even in the region. Some of our affiliated hospitals, they've noticed a decrease in numbers as well. So. Things seem to be headed in the right direction right now, which is great. We've got that going on and the vaccines going on, and that seems to be some positive news around COVID right now.
I know we were talking before the show here, at least for hospital employees, not as many hospital employees infected because many of us are vaccinated. That's what you're seeing? Yes,
yeah. Our employee illness and the number of employees we have out has diminished significantly over the last couple 3 weeks, and I think a lot of that is due to the vaccines. We've managed to vaccinate about 65–70% of our employees, and I think that's helping.
As well as opening up some more of the elective surgeries and stuff like that.
Yeah, so the numbers changes and the improvement there with staff out have allowed us to ease the restrictions on surgeries. So we're open to elective surgeries that require overnight stays now. Really, we're not restricting any of that business at the hospital. We still have the visitation restrictions that we have had in place for quite some time. Those haven't changed. I don't foresee those changing for quite some time until we have a better vaccination rate within the county.
So let's talk about vaccinations. Where are we at in vaccinations here in the region?
Sure. Well, here in Saline County, we're in phase 2. Actually, everywhere in Kansas is in phase 2. We've moved into that last week, and we're in Saline County. We've made the decision to focus on people who are 65 and older first in that phase 2 portion. The reason there being that those are the most likely to have severe disease, hospitalizations, and death. So if the goal is to improve that, then we felt like focusing on that population was the right thing to do with those first shipments. Everything that's coming in vaccine-wise is going through the health department. We are working with the health department and the Salina Family Health Care Center. The three of us, we're working together. They have the vaccine site set up at JCPenney's, and that's the place that you can get them right now if you are eligible in phase 2. So if you are, you can go to their website. Actually, you can go to our website, Salina Regional Health Center, or SRHC.com. And we have a link there that you can click that'll take you to the registration site.
Thank you so much for being on the show. And thank you for watching. For more information, please visit SRHC.com, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram.